What's up, people? It's been a while, but I'm back with some good stuff. It's my Atom sample pack. So when you get this pack, all you gotta do, there's a bunch of stems in there for you, but for now, just gonna drag this into Ableton Live. You could do the same as Logic. Listen to the soundtrack. You could also visit my website h.e.r.com, and you could even buy the tracks individually if you don't want the whole pack. So if you're on a budget, I still got you covered, okay? So you could go on this website, buy this track, and if you buy the pack, then you get a whole bunch of drums, right? So we're just gonna drag in the drums, listen to it, and you know how Ableton is, it automatically warps it so everything matches perfectly. You already got a beat, so all you're missing is just some hi-hats. So let's put some trap hats inside there. See, that's pretty dope already. Once again, these tracks are like probably $2 per track, but if you want the whole collection, then you get all the stems. Alright, so visit my website, check it out, get some music, get creative. I did this in what? Less than 2 minutes. It's all royalty free. Once you buy it, it's yours. This track is probably only $2.